Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful purpley look with this beautiful Physicians Formula eyeshadow, like one of those diamond duochrome eyeshadows. And I thought this was gorgeous. It gives me witchy vibes for Halloween, and I thought I would share. It's also used in the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. And this is look number 17. If you're interested in the other 16 looks, they will be linked in the description box below, as well as the cards. To get started, I've used the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer and Hourglass loose powder to catch fallout. Of course, I'm picking up the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the gray in the palette. It's in the last row. It's the only gray. I love this gray, and I say this all the time. I'm going to apply this with a fluffy crease brush or a fluffy blending brush into my crease, kind of using my orbital bone as a guide, and that's the bone up there in your eye area. If you didn't know, use that as a guide. And I love that it applies kind of like purple. I'm using this matte purple in the last row. It's the one that's stamped with the hearts. And I'm going to use this in my outer corner, and I'm going to build this up also with a crease brush. And I'm going to build this up, build it up, and I'm going to take it into the crease as well. These shades blend so very nicely together. I'm telling you, this gray is such a beautiful shade. The way this gray shade shifts from pan to eye, I just love it. I've used it so much with this palette, especially with all the purple looks for a transition. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that gray, and I'm going to blend the purple with the gray, and look how easily they blend together because that gray has that purpley tone to it, and they blend together so nicely. Now this is from Physicians Formula, and it's a diamond metallic liquid eyeshadow, and this shifts from like a green, blue, a little bit of gold in there. Not much, but mostly green and blue. And I'm going to apply a layer of that and stamp it up like if I was stamp my eyelid up like I would be doing a cut crease. And this is an easy way to do a cut crease. Once this layer's dried off camera, I apply 2 more layers actually. And I'm going to build up my crease and my outer corner again. I'm going to crisp up the crease line around the lid shade we applied, and I'm going to go in with the gray crease brush with a little bit more of that gray on there and blend down the edges. Blend all those together so they become one, they become seamless, and we have a really nice gradient kind of blend going on there. And I just thought this look was perfect for Halloween. I'm using the white in the eyeshadow palette as my brow bone highlight. You could use the skin tone colored one as well, but I just wanted to use white today. And I'm using that on a fluffy shadow brush, and I'm just applying that under the brow bone, and I will bring it down to the crease area and blend that with the crease as well. And blend, blend, blend. So once that's done, I'm going to wipe away the fallout, and I'm going to take that purple shade on the lower lash line. Once that is completed, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Breakup eyeliner, and I'm going to tightline with that and do a nice brim layer with that. I'm using this green matte eyeliner from Maybelline, and this is from BH Cosmetics, and this is their Blacklight highlighter palette. I'm using the shimmery pink in this palette to do my inner corner, and I just think it adds a really nice bright pop there. And for my Ioni, I'm using the Sagittarius Wispy Long Spiky Lashes with the Airway Studio Lash Adhesive. And I'm going to get those applied. These are a bit longer than I'm used to, but they looked really nice with this look. And once again, I think this would be perfect for like a witchy Halloween costume or something. I just love how this turned out. Overall, I love, or a female Joker. Oh my goodness, I love green and purple together. I think this would be gorgeous. Anyways, that lip gloss was from the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Drop completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. We'll try the look out for yourselves, and hopefully you get witchy vibes from this look as well. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and stay tuned for more looks using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards out for additional links. There's also a product list in the description box below as well. I always list all that. products and what's on my nails in the description box below. I thank you guys so very much for watching.